Gambit dragon again. Oh! Oh! Welcome back to the AJV channel. In this video, we're going to have endless lightning paradox. Endless. Right here, there's the combo, all stock. P8 up against Gambit dragon. D8. Here are the combos right there. Let's get into it. Obviously, before this video begins, be sure to hit like, hit comment, hit subscribe. It really does mean a lot. And yeah, let's get into the battle. We're starting off in the quad drive base stadium. The thing that started off the quad drive, the quad thing in general. The quad strike thing. Quad drive, quad strike, you get what I'm saying? Obviously, first to five different stadiums. Let's do it. Alright? Paradox. Gambit dragon. Big hit from Gambit. Paradox, Paradox, I think it's called Paradox, in the center of the stadium. Alex has a right distribution for Paradox. He has a stamina. That. Big hits from Gambit. Gambit is repeatedly doing it, but Paradox takes the first point. Okay. Paradox. Gambit. We get a big hit from Gambit. Paradox, Lightning Paradox at least. I'm not sure about the other Paradoxes, but Lightning Paradox we can at least give the credit that he is good with taking hits. He's very good with taking hits. Is he going to take it again? Yes, he does. 2-0. Paradox. Gambit dragon. Big hits right there from Gambit. Gambit needs to keep the hits up if he wants to even stand a chance. But Paradox, he's just taken all the hits, and Gambit's one of the best hitting bays in quad strike. But no, Paradox is just too strong. Paradox, Gambit, dragon right here. Can Gambit take this? Can Gambit get any points on the board in the quad drive stadium? Let's find out. Oh, there we go. Gambit dragon gets a point there. 1-3. Gambit dragon. He's going all over the place. That is not a good strategy if he's trying to win here. But it is a very entertaining strategy there. Paradox in the center again. Paradox is just so calm. And he's just so smooth with absorbing all those hits. And again, 4-1. Paradox just needs 1 point to take this stadium. Gambit dragon here, flower pattern. No, we cannot get a flower pattern from him. Maybe that's asking too much. But Gambit, you gotta hit him more. Gambit has the slopes. We know he has the slopes. I haven't seen him burst at once. But Gambit has the slopes, and he's not using them. Paradox takes the win onto the vertical drop stadium. Paradox tanked him in the quad drive stadium, but now we're gonna go for a stadium. From Rise, back in Rise, Ace Dragon was the main character, which is a dragon bear, and obviously this helps attack type bays, this vertical drop stadium. So let's see if we can help him against Paradox. Big hit, big hit. Come on, Gambit, you got this. You know you've got this. Just keep on pushing him. But Paradox is just tanking him. Oh, he scrapes. And does he pay for it or what? Gambit again. I think Gambit's got a fair strategy here. Just keep on hitting him until he either scrapes or until he bursts. But Paradox is hard to burst. I haven't seen him burst. I've maybe only seen him burst once, but I haven't seen him burst often, especially on this channel. He is just tanking the hits. And Paradox again, man. Paradox is just way too calm. Way too steady. And he does not get steady at all. Gambit though, with the hits, this stadium's definitely helping him hit Paradox. But Paradox is still winning this, you know? Like, Paradox is just tanking all the hits. And again, Paradox takes it again. Paradox. Gambit Dragon. Gambit Dragon, even with the Rail Rush, is still having a problem. Oh, big scrape though. And that helps him right there. Paradox. Big scrape there from Gambit, but it helps boost up the speed of Gambit Dragon here. Score is 2-2. Can Paradox stay ahead? No, he cannot. The score is 3-2. Paradox. And it's completely done, dude. It's done. Like, it's already done. Like, I haven't even had this for more than a week. It's already done. Hasbro, come on, man. Anyway, Gambit Dragon. Come on, Gambit. It's 3-2. Gambit's winning, but Paradox, I wouldn't be surprised if he turns it around. He is just so good with stamina. Just so good. Definitely the best Bay in the Lightning Strike set. So yeah. Is this the best Pandora? It might be. Because he just takes the hits. As long as he doesn't scrape. That's the biggest issue in this game, is he tends to scrape. But it's 3-3. And Pandora doesn't let him have the lead for too long. Pandora takes it. Pandora. Gambit Dragon. Big hit from Gambit. Can Gambit take it though? Gambit tie it up 4-4 perhaps? Or is Pandora about to take this win? He is scraping a lot. And oh, Pandora just takes it. Anyway, let's go now into the Surge Stadium. Let's do it. Okay, next stadium is our Surge Stadium. Let's do it. I don't know why I just put him on the broken launcher, but anyway, let's see if we have anything different here. This should help Gambit Dragon again. Oh! What did we just witness? What did we just witness? Pandora needs to come back. He needs to come back if he wants to win this. And again, Gambit Dragon takes it. 3-0. Gambit Dragon. Winning his last one again. Yes, he does. He's still so much there. That could cost him. One to 3. Gambit Dragon hasn't came out this strong in this entire video until now. Can't keep it like that though. He just needs one more burst, which we can see he is capable of doing. He just needs to do it one more time. Or he just needs to keep with those big hits 4-1. Maybe this is not the stadium for Pandora. And a big boost. And that's a big mistake. He needs to stay away from the boost. Unless Pandora's up on the edge, apparently. Alright. Pandora. Can Gambit finish it off, or is Pandora going to make a comeback? Let's find out. Pandora does have good stamina, but he can scrape a lot with that driver. And as you can see, Gambit Dragon takes the win. He is your winner of this stadium. Let's go on to the Pro Series Stadium. Alright, we're in the Pro Series Stadium, obviously. So yeah, let's get into it. So this will be like tournament-wise is better, because most tournaments have this stadium, or a stadium similar to this, whether it's the Karatomi one or this Pro Series one here. Obviously, highly recommend getting Pro Series bays, you know? Obviously, they're worth, a lot of them are worth the value for money, you know? Especially the newer ones. I wouldn't go for like the first wave though, personally. And Gambit just takes it, I would say. Gambit takes the first round there. Can Gambit do it again? No, he cannot. He just knocks himself out, which is not a good idea at all. Because Pandora just needs one more stadium win, and then he beats you in stadium. So Pandora just outsmarting Gambit Dragon. I believe Pandora, the blader of Pandora, is a female. I believe. I'm not too sure. Yeah, around and around. 2-1. Pandora is in the lead. Lightning Pandora. And yeah. Let's hope Lightning Pandora loses somehow. Because we want Gambit. We want to win a take-all Gambit versus Pandora in the final stage. And there we go. Gambit takes a win there. 2-2. Pandora. Oh. Alright. Doing it again. Just launch him again. Pandora. Gambit Dragon. And that is 3-3. Pandora. Gambit Dragon. Damn it, Gambit. Really went out. Alright, Gambit going around and around. Pandora is in the center of the stadium, obviously. The only thing that Pandora should be doing is staying in the center and trying to avoid hits until the last second. So let's see. Is it over? Alright, 4-3. Pandora. Alright, 4-4. We're going for a winner take all basically with this round here. Can you get out of the pocket? Oh, and it's over. Pandora is your winner. Now, if I accidentally skipped over some rounds, that's my bad. But yeah, 5-4, Pandora is your winner. And we are now going to go into the Interstellar drop battle set. And then we'll call it a day. Let's finish it off with one of the most, not random stadiums, but a stadium that any bay could win in. Let's do it. Pandora against Gambit Dragon. Pandora. Gambit Dragon. Obviously, Pandora is going to be a lot more in the bottom than Gambit, most likely. Obviously, who's going to take it is another... That's an interesting question. We don't know who's going to take this one. Pandora takes the first point right there. Pandora. Gambit Dragon. He needs to get in the what's in it. He needs to get in the hole and actually try to hit Paradox if he wants to win this round at least. That's going to be a big issue. He's almost out of stamina already. And Pandora takes the win right there. Okay, it's 2-0. Pandora straight into the center. Gambit straight into the center this time. Are we going to see a different result here? Gambit's hitting him, but with no power, man, no power. And Paradox takes it again. Pandora, Paradox. It's one of the two. Oh, a big hit from the top. This is where he needs to use all of his power. It's 3-0. Come on, Paradox. You gotta lose, Paradox. Let's see if chanting for Paradox turns it around. Come on, Paradox. Come on, Paradox. Ah, Paradox takes it. Apparently, it gives him exactly what he wants. Oh well. We'll launch Gambit first, see if there's a different result, but I'm not sure if there's going to be. Gambit. Alright, this could be the final round. It's 0-4. Gambit Dragon is clearly not his strong suit this stadium, which is noted. Not a good stadium for Gambit Dragon to be in. And our winner of all these battles is Paradox. Right there. Gambit Dragon just couldn't handle the stamina and the roundness of Paradox. But obviously, if you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit like, hit comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Have a nice day.